Good evening. As you settle into your comfortable sanctuary, perhaps finding that perfect spot in your bed, or maybe just taking a moment to release the tensions of the day, we invite you to embark on a journey with us. A journey that's both calming and enlightening. As you prepare for a peaceful slumber, we bring you a soothing and educational experience that's reminiscent of the bedtime stories of your childhood. Tonight, we'll explore a topic that will not only help you relax, but also enrich your mind. Before we begin, take a moment to breathe in deeply and then exhale slowly. Allow your mind to quiet and your body to relax. This is your time, a moment to unwind and embrace the serenity that nighttime brings. So, as you lay there, in the gentle embrace of your bed, with the softness of your pillow cradling your head, let's begin this tranquil journey together. You're in for a restful and enlightening experience. In the vast and varied tapestry of Earth's biosphere, there exist realms so extreme, so seemingly inhospitable, that they defy all conventional understanding of life. These realms are the domains of extremophiles, organisms that not only endure, but thrive under conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms. Our journey into the world of extremophiles takes us to the most inhospitable corners of our planet, revealing the remarkable resilience and adaptability of life. Let us begin in the abyssal plains of the deep ocean. Here, in the perpetual darkness, where the weight of thousands of feet of water exerts colossal pressure, we find the piezophiles. These microorganisms have adapted to life under pressure so immense that it would crush most other forms of life. Their cellular structures are reinforced, their membranes fluid, allowing them to function where others would implode. They are a testament to life's ability to adapt, evolving unique biochemistries that turn this crushing deep-sea environment into a hospitable home. Ascending from these depths, we encounter the hydrothermal vents, spectacular fissures in the Earth's crust. These vents spew superheated water, saturated with minerals and chemicals. In this inferno under the sea, thermophiles and hyperthermophiles find their niche. These heat-loving microbes have enzymes that remain stable and functional at temperatures that would denature those of most other organisms. Their existence pushes the boundaries of our understanding of life, hinting at the possibility of similar life forms on other worlds, where conditions mirror these scalding depths. Our journey then takes us to the polar ice caps and glaciers, where temperatures are so low that water exists primarily as ice. Here, in the deep ice and brine channels, psychrophiles make their home. These cold-loving organisms have developed anti-freeze proteins that prevent the formation of ice crystals within their cells, a lethal event for most life forms. Their ability to function in such frigid environments offers invaluable insights into the molecular adaptations required for life at sub-zero temperatures. From the frigid poles, we travel to the arid heart of deserts, where the relentless sun and lack of water create a landscape seemingly devoid of life. Yet, even here, in the parched sands and scorched rocks, xerophiles demonstrate the remarkable adaptability of life. These organisms can endure extreme dehydration, some even entering a state of anhydrobiosis, a sort of suspended animation, until moisture returns. Their resilience offers a blueprint for understanding how life might persist in the dry, barren landscapes of distant planets and moons. Our exploration leads us next to the acidic hot springs, sulfuric volcanic vents, and alkaline lakes, where pH levels swing to extremes. In these caustic environments, acidophiles and alkalophiles thrive. These extremophiles have adapted to not only withstand, but also require such pH extremes for survival. Their cellular machinery and metabolic pathways are fine-tuned to exploit these harsh conditions, offering a window into the versatility of life and its potential for biotechnological applications. As we conclude this extended first part of our journey, we are left in awe of the extremophiles and their myriad forms. They exemplify life's incredible capacity to adapt and thrive in the most forbidding environments. These organisms are not mere curiosities. They are keys to unlocking the mysteries of life's resilience and versatility. They challenge us to redefine the boundaries of life and inspire us to consider the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Let these thoughts accompany you into the realm of dreams, where the wonders of extremophiles and the extremes of Earth blend into visions of distant, unexplored worlds. Our journey has only just begun. Stay with us as we delve further into the lives and environments of these extraordinary organisms in the next part of our narrative. As we delve further into the enigmatic world of extremophiles, we uncover more about these fascinating organisms that inhabit Earth's most hostile environments. These microorganisms are not mere survivors. They are innovators and adapters in the truest sense, holding keys to understanding life's persistence under extreme conditions. Our exploration begins by examining the molecular mechanisms that empower thermophiles and hyperthermophiles to thrive in extreme heat. These heat-loving organisms possess proteins and enzymes with unique structural features, allowing them to function effectively at temperatures that would denature those of most other organisms. These proteins are stabilized by strong ionic bonds and hydrophobic interactions, enabling them to maintain their structure and functionality in boiling waters of geothermal vents or hot springs. This remarkable thermal stability makes them invaluable in various industrial and biotechnological applications, such as in the production of biofuels and in the processing of food and waste. In the frigid realms of the polar ice caps and the deep sea, psychrophiles demonstrate their resilience. They synthesize anti-freeze proteins that inhibit ice formation and ensure fluidity of their cellular membranes, even at sub-zero temperatures. These adaptations are critical, as ice crystal formation can cause irreparable cellular damage. The study of these anti-freeze proteins has significant implications, including the development of frost-resistant crops and the preservation of organs for transplantation. Turning our attention to arid and dry environments, we find xerophiles, experts in surviving desiccation. These organisms employ a range of strategies, including the accumulation of compatible solutes like trehalose and sucrose, which protect their cellular structures against dehydration. Some xerophiles can even enter a state of anhydrobiosis, desiccating themselves to the point where metabolic activities nearly cease, and then rehydrating and resuming activity when conditions improve. This remarkable ability offers insights into developing drought-resistant crops and preserving biological materials. In environments with extreme pH levels, acidophiles and alkaliphiles showcase their extraordinary adaptations. They maintain a stable internal pH by actively pumping out excess protons or hydroxide ions. Their cellular machinery is tailored to function optimally in these extreme pH conditions, offering potential biotechnological applications in the fields of biomining and waste treatment. Halophiles, thriving in high salt environments, have evolved mechanisms to balance the high osmotic pressure of their surroundings. They maintain high intracellular concentrations of potassium and chloride ions, or synthesize or accumulate organic osmolytes to counteract the external salt concentrations. This ability is not just a testament to their adaptability, but also offers prospects in bioremediation and the development of salt-tolerant crops. As we reflect on these diverse adaptations, we gain a deeper appreciation for the extremophile's role in expanding our understanding of life's potential. These organisms are living proof that life can adapt to a vast array of environments, challenging our assumptions about the conditions necessary for life. Their existence raises intriguing possibilities about the nature of life on other planets and moons, where conditions similar to those on Earth might support life. Extremophiles are also a rich source of biotechnological innovation. Their enzymes, known as extremozymes, are highly sought after for their robustness and efficiency under conditions that would render ordinary enzymes ineffective. These extremozymes find applications in pharmaceuticals, bioremediation, and even in the development of novel therapeutics and diagnostics. Moreover, the study of extremophiles is shedding light on the origins and early evolution of life on Earth, providing insights into how life could have emerged and persisted under the harsh conditions of the early planet. As we drift into sleep, let the resilience and adaptability of extremophiles fill our dreams. These extraordinary organisms not only challenge the boundaries of life's capabilities, but also offer hope for sustainable solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. In the next part of our narrative, we will explore the environments that shaped these incredible life forms and the future prospects they hold for our planet and beyond. In this part of our journey through the realm of extremophiles, we turn our focus to the diverse and often extreme environments that have shaped these remarkable organisms. These habitats, ranging from the deepest ocean trenches to the most arid deserts, provide not just a backdrop for these life forms, but are active agents in their evolution, offering a window into the adaptability and resilience of life. The depths of the ocean, particularly the hadal zones and hydrothermal vents, are among the most enigmatic and extreme environments on Earth. Here, in complete darkness and under immense pressure, life flourishes. The hadal zones, found in deep oceanic trenches, are home to a variety of extremophiles that have adapted to the crushing pressure and scarce food supply. These environments are isolated, yet teeming with life that relies on unique strategies for survival, such as chemosynthesis, the process of using chemicals instead of sunlight as a source of energy. Hydrothermal vents, on the other hand, are oases of life in the deep sea. These vents release mineral-rich water heated by the Earth's magma, creating a unique ecosystem where extremophiles harness the chemicals in the vent fluids for energy. Moving from the ocean depths to the icy realms of the polar regions and high-altitude glaciers, we encounter a vastly different set of extreme conditions. In these frozen landscapes, temperatures can plummet far below freezing, yet life persists. Psychrophiles in these environments have evolved mechanisms to prevent their cellular fluids from freezing, enabling them to maintain metabolic activities in temperatures that would be fatal to most other organisms. These adaptations are not just remarkable evolutionary feats. They also offer clues about the potential for life on icy worlds beyond Earth, such as the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. In stark contrast to the cold habitats are the scorching deserts and hot springs scattered across the globe. These environments are characterized by extreme temperatures and often lack of water, yet they are home to a variety of extremophiles. Thermophiles and hyperthermophiles in hot springs and geothermal areas withstand and thrive in high temperatures, while xerophiles in deserts have adapted to survive with minimal water. The adaptations of these organisms to such harsh conditions provide insights into the limits of life and the potential for organisms to survive in similar environments on other planets. The acidic and alkaline environments, such as sulfuric volcanic vents and soda lakes, offer yet another type of extreme condition. Acidophiles and alkalophiles in these environments thrive in pH levels that would be lethal to most other life forms. These extremophiles have adapted to maintain their internal pH within a survivable range, despite the extreme external pH levels. Their presence in such hostile environments suggests that life can find a foothold even in the most unlikely places. Salt flats and hypersaline lakes are also home to extremophiles, specifically halophiles, which have adapted to life in high salt concentrations. These environments, which can be several times saltier than seawater, pose significant osmotic challenges to most organisms. However, halophiles have evolved to either accumulate salts in their cells or produce compatible solutes to counterbalance the external salt concentration. Their ability to thrive in such saline conditions challenges our understanding of the osmotic limits of life. As we contemplate these diverse and extreme environments, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible adaptability of life. Extremophiles have evolved to not just survive, but thrive in conditions that are far beyond the tolerance of most known life forms. Their existence expands our understanding of the potential habitats for life, both on Earth and in the broader cosmos. As we drift into the realm of dreams, let the resilience of extremophiles in their extreme habitats inspire visions of the vast potential of life. These organisms, thriving in the harshest environments, remind us of the tenacity and adaptability of life. In the next part of our narrative, we will explore the implications of extremophiles for our search for extraterrestrial life and their potential applications in science and technology. Our journey through the world of extremophiles now propels us into the vast expanse of space, exploring the profound implications these resilient organisms have for the search for extraterrestrial life. The existence of extremophiles on Earth dramatically widens our perspective on where and how life can exist, suggesting that life might endure in environments previously thought to be barren and hostile. The study of extremophiles has revolutionized the field of astrobiology, challenging and expanding the traditional concept of the habitable zone around stars. This zone, defined as the region where a planet could have liquid water, has long been the focus of the search for alien life. However, extremophiles show us that life can thrive in conditions far removed from those found in these habitable zones. For instance, the discovery of psychrophiles in Earth's icy environments and the potential subsurface oceans of moons like Jupiter's Europa and Saturn's Enceladus suggests that life could exist in similar cold, water-rich environments elsewhere in our solar system and beyond. Similarly, the resilience of thermophiles and hyperthermophiles in Earth's hot springs and deep-sea hydrothermal vents points to the possibility of life in the high-temperature, volcanic environments of planets and moons. This hypothesis has reignited interest in planets like Venus, with its scorching surface temperatures and rampant volcanic activity, and Mars, with its evidence of ancient hydrothermal systems as potential abodes for life. The unique biochemical signatures of extremophiles, such as specific types of lipids, pigments, and isotopic compositions, offer a new set of tools for detecting extraterrestrial life. These markers are being incorporated into the design of instruments for future space missions, enhancing our ability to detect and analyze potential biosignatures on other planets and moons. Extremophiles also play a crucial role in the ongoing debate about panspermia, the hypothesis that life exists throughout the universe, distributed by meteoroids, comets, and other celestial bodies. The remarkable ability of some extremophiles, too. In the field of environmental biotechnology, extremophiles offer solutions for bioremediation, the process of using organisms to clean up environmental pollutants. Certain extremophiles can detoxify heavy metals, break down pollutants, or neutralize hazardous materials in extreme conditions where other organisms cannot survive. This ability makes them invaluable in addressing environmental issues such as oil spills, toxic waste, and industrial effluents. Agriculture and food security are also areas where extremophiles have a role to play. The study of xerophiles and halophiles is contributing to the development of crops that can thrive in arid and saline environments, addressing the growing challenges of climate change and land degradation. The application of extremophile research in agriculture could lead to more resilient crop varieties, capable of growing in harsh environments while maintaining or increasing yield. The field of materials, science is benefiting from the study of extremophiles as well. The unique proteins and other biomolecules produced by these organisms have potential applications in the development of new materials. For example, the antifreeze proteins of psychrophiles are being studied for their potential in creating freeze-resistant materials. Similarly, the strong and flexible biopolymers produced by some extremophiles could lead to the development of new biomaterials for medical and industrial applications. In the realm of space exploration, extremophiles are playing an increasingly important role. Their ability to withstand extreme conditions is informing the design of life support systems for long-duration space missions and habitats on other planets. By studying how extremophiles manage resource scarcity and extreme environmental stress, scientists are developing more efficient and sustainable systems for providing air, water, and food in space. The study of extremophiles also has implications for our understanding of the origins of life on Earth and potentially on other planets. By examining how these organisms survive and thrive in extreme environments, researchers are gaining insights into how life might have emerged and evolved on the early Earth. These insights are informing the search for life on other planets, as extremophiles represent models for the types of organisms that might exist on worlds with harsh environments. Moreover, extremophiles are contributing to advances in nanotechnology. Some extremophiles produce nanoparticles or have unique properties that can be harnessed for the synthesis of nanomaterials. These applications range from medical diagnostics and therapeutics to environmental sensors and catalysts. In the field of genetics and genomics, extremophiles are a rich source of genetic material. Their genomes contain genes that encode for the unique proteins and enzymes that enable them to survive in extreme conditions. By studying these genes, scientists are not only gaining a deeper understanding of the mechanisms of adaptation and survival, but also discovering new genetic tools and techniques. These discoveries have applications in gene editing, synthetic biology, and the development of novel genetic therapies. The potential of extremophiles in renewable energy is also significant. Some extremophiles can convert organic and inorganic materials into bioenergy under extreme conditions. This ability is being explored for the development of new bioenergy sources, such as biofuels and biogas, that are more efficient and environmentally friendly than traditional fossil fuels. In the realm of education and public engagement, extremophiles serve as a fascinating and engaging topic that bridges biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental science. They provide a compelling example of the diversity and adaptability of life, inspiring students and the public to explore the wonders of science and the natural world. As we conclude our journey through the world of extremophiles, we are left with a sense of awe at the incredible adaptability and resilience of life. These organisms, thriving in Earth's most extreme environments, are not just survivors. They are innovators, providing solutions to some of our most pressing challenges. Their study is a testament to the ingenuity of nature and the boundless potential of scientific inquiry. As we drift off into the realm of dreams, let the world of extremophiles inspire us to look beyond the obvious, to explore the unexplored, and to imagine the possibilities that lie at the frontiers of science and technology. The story of extremophiles is a story of life's tenacity and versatility, a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way.